Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add email link in WordPress. So first you need to do is to open WordPress, go on to the pages, and here I created a sample page. You simply need to click on edit, and once I am on my page, so here you can see that. So this is the place where I want to add links. So click on that. Here you can see that you simply need to add text, and you need to add link mail to semicolon and your email address, and click on save, and then you need to click on update. And let me show you how it works onto the website. So this is my website, and here is it is. Click on that, and now it will land onto the mail. So this is the process how you can add email link in WordPress. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.